Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a watermelon in a very simple way. First we will draw a triangle but not the bottom line. Now below we will draw a light round line. I will draw another similar line. This time I will color. The inner color of watermelon is red. I'll paint red first. This time we will color light green. This time we will color deep green. This time I will draw watermelon seeds. Hey guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos and update. Thanks for watching.